A man always wants to spend his whole life with a woman who has 3 habits, that is, she is patient, she don't do fights, and she respects men. The husband has the most right on the woman, but in some houses the woman has to keep the in-laws happy more than husband. Some men have to suffer humiliations in love because they think like the love is blind, the women are also blind. If you want a man, who runs away from women close to you, then distance away from him for a while and he will come to you on his own. Broken things are very disturbing, such as heart, sleep, trust and most of all, the hope and expectations on someone. Every relationship depends on a price. The day you refuse to pay that price, the relationship will end. A woman whose doors are open to everyone in the city who keep a few silver coins in his pocket, then he can be a cobbler or drug addict, beautiful or handsome or disabled, her life can be estimated well. The problems of our world are not so much, as of the sarcasm, hurting questions and comments that hurt the heart. If only the tongue is stopped, then many hearts will find peace. The most difficult book to understand is Woman. And reading Woman is very important to become a good writer. When a woman wants to remove a man from her life, she starts doing these 2 things. First, denying everything, and second, fighting and threatening to leave. Friends, if you like these facts, do share them with your friends, and subscribe to this channel to stay connected with us. Thanks for watching.